That can't be a bird up there, can it? Where is it? Yeah. It's gotta be plastic or something. It's a bird. Holy. Sweet. Oh. Yeah. I'm gonna go see if I can see it from the other side. Oh,
like
that's
a crane
awesome.
or something.
Cool.
Yeah. Yeah, we can see from here.
From there?
Right there.
Cool. Holy.
It's a crane.
Looks awesome.
Yes, it is.
Wow, wow, wow. That looks prehistoric. It's huge. It's got little catch birds catching their prey. This one's caught a fish. Just like that, man. It stuck its beak down and it's like, bam. Oh, fuck. That's the wild. Down she goes. Holy shit. This guy means business. Just some ducks in the back there. I'm not sure what kind, and I don't particularly care to know. Just know the bird is sweet. I met some people, they're so quick to define what they were seeing, and I think they missed the whole magic of the actual bird. Look at that.